Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Delta Airlines error code CFAF075. The error reads, "Oh no, we're sorry, but there was a problem processing your request. Please go back and try again." As per our research, this error comes when users try to process a change on the Delta website. It may appear while modifying bookings or during the payment process. According to our research, this error can happen due to temporary issues with the browser, internet connection, or problems with the payment method. To deal with the error first, power cycle your device along with the router. Simply turn off both, then wait for a few minutes and then restart them. Then go back to the Delta website and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, try using a different device or browser and see if this helps. If the error is coming while making the payment, then try using a different payment method and see if the error still comes. If none of these steps work, then we suggest you call Delta Airlines support and report the issue. They will be able to assist you further. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.